Slider sheets have been a wonderful innovation for continuing care workers and can serve to measurably reduce the amount of force that is required to move a resident by reducing the amount of friction. When applying a slider sheet, workers have to make sure that they're using proper body mechanics to turn the resident. Assuming there are no skin integrity issues for the resident, they may be able to tuck that slider sheet far enough that the resident only needs to be turned once in order to get the slider sheet underneath them, instead of twice. The slider sheet should cover the shoulders and the bum of the resident, and not be placed in the middle of the body. So if the bed is being made, consider placing the slider sheet below the pillow, where it would cover both the shoulders and the bum. If residents are bigger and a single slider sheet isn't sufficient to cover both the shoulders and the bum, then 2 slider sheets can be used, and they should be overlapped at the resident's lumbar region, where typically there is less pressure against the mattress. Please note, soaker pads should not be used in place of a slider sheet. Slider sheets are specifically designed to reduce friction against the mattress, and soaker pads are not.